Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be talking about how to install RStudio in your systems. Now let me tell you one thing before starting the installation of RStudio, that it is required that your system should have installed R into it, right? So you need to install this software R in your laptops, and later on you can do the installation of RStudio. All right. Now this is the link. This is the web page I have already opened for downloading R for your Windows. I will share the link of this particular page in the description of the video so you can refer from there. So what I have done is I'll click download R 4.3.0 for Windows, and the installation will start in the download folder, right? The setup will be installed here. I have already done this, right? So what you have to do, you have to just simply click this. You have to ask for saving this setup in your downloads or wherever you want to save it, right? So for that you can do that, right? Now when you will click this after completing the download of this software, you will click this OK. This you will press this setup link for double twice, and you will get this window in front of you, right? So what you are going to do, you have to go to this link, press it, it will start the downloading, and from there you will double click the software and this window will appear in front of you. Select setup language. So from here you will press OK. I'll do the next. Again I'll do the next. Now what you have to do, accept the defaults. After doing it, next, again next. So you can see that the installation has started in your laptops, right? So this is what you have to do first of all. So please remember, RStudio is not going to work without the R setup in your systems, right? And I have already mentioned that I'll share the link of whatever web pages I have referred for the installation of RStudio in the systems, right? And it is very important, guys, to know about your system, that whether your system is a 32-bit system or it is a 64-bit system. My system is 64-bit, so I am doing it for 64-bit. For 32-bit, there is a separate setup file which I'll share with you in your in the description of the video itself. So those who have the 32-bit system, they can refer that link, and those who have 64-bit, they can refer this particular link. All right. And yes, RStudio installation link I will also share with you about that. Fine. And you can see that this installation is just about to complete, so we have to wait for another 1 minute or probably few seconds, and you can see completing the R for Windows setup. All right, so I'll do finish. Now after completing this R setup, I will open a link of download RStudio, right? Again I said I'll mention the link of this URL in the description of the video. You can go there. Now you see this web page is asking you for different options, that if your operating system is Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can go to refer this link. If you are working on a MacBook, you need to refer this link, and depending upon the type of operating system your system has, you need to refer that particular link. In my laptop there is Windows 11, so I'll open this, right? So over here I have already done the download of this setup, that is RStudio, right? So I'll click OK, I'll double click it, and this window will open in front of me. Welcome to RStudio setup. So I'll do next, install, and it is going to happen like that. So you can see you just have to follow the by default instructions of the setup window, and it is going to show you the steps, and it is going to be very easy for you, right? So this installation is very easy. You just have to follow some basic steps, and then the video of this setup is very easy, right? So you can see how fast this installation is happening for the setup. So we have to wait for a few seconds. If you want to see whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, what you have to do, either go to the settings. In the settings, over there you can see about your system, or in the my computer tab there is an option of properties or system properties. Refer to that link. Over there you will get to know whether your system is a 32-bit or 64-bit. So it is saying RStudio has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close the setup. All right, so that was all about the installation of RStudio in your systems. If you like this video, if you find this content useful, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.